Okay, so I've been asked to do a cold video about 1,000 times, but let's try that again. Start from the start. I generally don't get many colds, but I have got one at the moment, obviously. But I will have to induce because I've sneezed naturally that many times today. And I don't think it's possible for that to happen by itself again anytime real soon. So I'll see if I can even help me. It's not going to take much, I don't think. Oh, that's working well. I wasn't sure this was going to work, but seems to be. You. Goodness. Why is there always an aeroplane coming over when I'm trying to fucking entertain people? That's not working now. Let's try this. That's all I need. Stuck seasons on the way. Fuck, that tickles. Teasing me. Alright, I'm gonna try this. Blowing my nose first to clear it up a bit. God, I'm a fucking mess already. This computer looks like a sprinkler is fucking well gone off on it. Oh Jesus, this computer's just going to be beyond touching in a minute. Phew. Phew. Now time to clean up the computer.